Busia, no more kwaba. Assign the back channel. We so bad like it. Shall not subscribe. Subscribe to the hand papa. A new community in your building thing. Here subscribe and subscribe, mamma. Na baby, I fe. And so here so far, Jen Chefa bra. Our comment section na baby answer fe. Na Ora Mahmoud Kabori, or a spokesperson for Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Yesha Mona, Yesha Yansasi, and your natural resources. Na Galamsey good. Natural resources na Galamsey no say land management to probia or well endowed with information about Galamsey irai and oyobia onimo ye na onim de according say na to twa odin sembi aba betu dwa no de betu dwa no chema Wontumi din apm 1 million Ghana Cedis Bribe bin so apm and excavators bi yes easy and so apm ka kotie full video no na ya hwe how anyama so comment like share and subscribe and service my turn on post notifications now I share link no and will be so I should be telling Mr. or Honorable Mahmoud Kabori obi bin samso ewo na yento aso
for car the aba adaya ne kwara na sense do go me kasa din na ko wi se obebrabo na mus and ye Zakaria currently is in custody or cantonment Oda Forest. The pictures are also online Facebook. Your what will be the 1 million Ghana Cedis, 100 Cedis, fresh note, 1 million Ghana Cedis. At the site now, you may your pressure, ya chim nantenu. Or no, na oye juma onti enyam. Eti kwajo, ayade juma ura ba kope, and wa fedi padodo juma. Eti your pressure will be more than the campings. But I'm telling you and I'm assuring you, say, one by one, bit by bit, we are getting some of the campings. Sebo minimabi oye juma. Mi am fa kwaku atin onu kwa nipa kontonkre. Hwebabi obi bia ma nipa dodo enya bi ye. Sana Galamsey ne ti o. Nipa ba ko betima about 20 sites. Nti obetima ti be workers be 50 and say when you one camping. Do you compare the number of operators that to campings in the Alberta mistake? To get check camping back, I was a more near the Wontumi inquire domwa, Wontumi inquire big fish. God, no one got to that metro can say he's a Galamsey campaign. Yeah, Baba Muna, near Mamma, not to say. We need to do an investigation. It took us about 5 months to trace with national security. Sometimes you know this guy say who say Galamsey for compare Juma or why to get all the necessary facts before you make an indication or arrest against Wontumi. And original court no. And to be kasa aban by no or you say that Amanda Dano ye chim mofra no kwa ye chicken pinsa. It's not born by fact. The fact still remains to say we are still getting to some of the campaign. And interestingly, some of them run channels so yeah more conditional situations say Wontumi boy me ehunu penny ado ko ho a e ma free e ma bail am kofi. So some of the young people are also helping us Nkrufobi so have been invited for questioning and all of that. Nyema no bebre ho a at the investigation stage no Wontumi fa meto abonten enti yemfa na say they are here no de ehunu no kra no enhye nkura ma say we are not just dealing with the young people, the operators or whatever you. So the the problem is not them. On what we call excavator, but the problem is the people who are financing this dangerous environmental terrorism. We are not seeing to be able to get to the real campings, you know. Se excavator bi eba krom ha no ye mpese otina bi eba kwana ete se na ano de no na afa openi wura unhu no kwadwo excavator bi eba duru port no de dikan ye ma minerals commission through your control room staff ye ko register sa machine no ye track no ye wi through custom division DVL no omu register machine no nti uba fa ko na afa otina ko na machine no kwaya boni a. By just looking at the number plate, you know, you will say machine belongs to Mr. A or Mr. B. I won't hear say oko mia but Frebi kon say bonipa cross ma wodi ansa na wahunu. And now you and nothing na this system no ba bebre no antin ko clear on excavators no because enye normal plate ni keke ya send the tracking device ashem. Nti kwajo be ka chem say do machine no kwa bi a efija se kotu anwea na ye control room we hu say ordinam pristia ordinam takwa ordinam bogoso a na je say woni na no kwa is enough to arrest you the owner. We nyina ya be for kwan so say di gwa kwa mu say ampa excavator bi e ba kuruma ye hunu de ode baaye ye hunu butaye nti a ode ko baaye na tie san ni ekire fu ye ni ekire hu say butaye nti okofo ba na ode ye ana so ode din semone ni nyina ya hye de agwa kwa mu say e be boa ma yetimi atu sa Galamsey ase.
Before you be wura obi bisa say update on Brim River minim say o update bi ewo ha Brim River minim what's the update?
We chose Brim for the nanotechnology piloting. Just a 1 kilometer stretch of Brim for piloting. And of course, it's widely publicized in the media. Say indeed the technology works. The concern Ghanaians are raising is say ensu hodo a wokruma nyina yesu a yesu yiri enti say o apply technology no e bia anafo hanom na o china obi nipa na odi bone da so odi bone no watifi a enti say the contents ba bia okonso gum. All those things. You see, when you say you are doing piloting, it means you are opening the box to even listen to more from the grassroots and from the Ghanaian people. And you are picking all the concerns. Nipa and some more can the bimofo say yeah be boa mana ye kese ni ade nyina. You are picking nyina and then be boa guide into a holistic approach towards the Blue Water Initiative. I hear the decchemicalization aspect of the Blue Water Initiative. But kakra umkwe no Brim no showed that indeed the copper-based nanotechnology no is really effective because omo apply no 30 minutes na nsuo no asset kra be 1 hour kra de hwe ni obeka sesebe ye di ye no num no fie ka no purified drinking water ni de kire say technology is very effective for bebre so the adwen ba say instead of say bia anko bra no ye 191 kilometer stretch no say ye be kwa apply ni nyina ade no so for every kilometer stretch of the nsuo no you need about $200,000 to do that. Until you multiply 200,000 by 191 kilometer stretch of Ankobra alone, you know the cost we are talking about. The Ghana Ford don't know I can say. At the end, ye focus no few. That's the minister. Any name was so queen. Yes, stop with the bleeding. So the air te che woman they said tibia no afi mfiem you say bleeding no ya hono bia nka ho a ani bede ani bete dem mom no kayem pinche baby a treatment plant wo ntie bia se chebi treatment plant a se bonsa treatment plant a se barikasi treatment plant a 1 kilometer to the treatment plant no nanke apply technology no ho say the bear we are sure that so be a free 1 kilometer mo ko treatment plant no ami aso no so dia bear we fie mu ne yenwum me anom no we are sure say it's a clean water adro no atimi yi nuboni bi afiri mu eno ye nipa no bi so adwen a omde ba feel say it's a very progressive way of looking at the whole thing na yes ani ba go for trim aban yi sabi yanka say we are reciprocity of ideas nipa kra mo ana obi di no vote kan no ade ho anai 2 min way ensem nti e ba no man nchechire ajutu mprekope so se agi Ghana fo nyina adwen na de nyina ye be boa no kwadwo yaye na o man no afa no ntuma pafra so obi sa bremu komo no that is the update on that.
So, Kabore, from 7th January 2025, Ebesine, as PRO at the Ministry of Land and Natural Resources, Galamsey fight, you know, who say, Monshe Shaye, I make impact.
So much impact. So much. A typical example is the forest that I've told you. Say, if you want to I might be say, forest 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. You entitled the red zone. We have given up. Now ban be about in less than 1.5 years. What me just our forest in the back, no. So much progress. Offer Water Resource Commission. Obu data. Now here all the areas didn't 9 months, any blue water gas starting here now. You could see one line under there, improved stability levels in those areas. Even though a room pempens fire panel, but the scientific data proves to say things are getting better by the day. But what I say, now no other you call Mansonia and Kumasi, any Mansua Sadi Krumi, 800 acres of land, and they buy any to fear what Monty Monka to honum, and they are cutting in us where you're doing. It's progress. Oh, a physical, visible progress. Oko Asante Bekwaya, another company so why no say they do any be a sir, or no so be about 1,000 acres of eme. Or no so ayan no Asante Bekwaya. Oko baby in Potema, the reclamation is happening there. But what I say, enti kwado, you know be a person do no na sometimes who can. Na or ne kan ye because ya nse Ghana for boss ye ba be klemu ebi 800 acres pe ya nse Ghana for boss ye ba be yi kwabre tu nkono pe ya nse Ghana for boss ye ba sebio ye wa gotu abre wani nkranfo na ye kwaye no ho aton ye se Ghana for boss ye betu Galamsey ase nyentu ye ne de I believe there is still more room for improvement here. Ye be hwe se ye be boa ama ba bi e pese du butane ba kope kwado see a better so da kro na kwampa yetu agudi a ebetena wacha ma yemfaso ye ka no sustainable mining no yetimi aye na afen so yenso nyina ni ate na de toso miensa ye kwa ebretu nyina no asan ya habam no na o man Ghana afa no tuma pamfra
Pacho say for no dia fa no mother west
your name Kabore on the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Omo PR inti and oruna ye no ebo enkomo no. And I think say you maybe say try na you make a conversation because we say emo by 10 no na there was say nya bia no na yenya me say abrani betimi ene baba na say you say ukọ haba na excavators bi I think say joy for kura publish say anadwo na omo amanfo clear excavators ebeye yi na ye den ankasa na ekoso
Medical suit ya wem say yes sunku bi a abanda da no se bi oye ya mo an yes ya na motu say kwa ben ni refa so a ebehunu say why na the excavator ba kurum ha e de ben no the excavator no be ye
okay
na ye demand okra no ahefa no de ko akodi sa adwuma di no nti ya say you must verify before clearance Ghana mra na kasa kire say can before crash of crash excavator no also di kan nya de friend permit every transport ministry hono ansa na akọ kraba ba excavators we na yehunu no excavator
I think so.
All right, I hope say uti baby na for agent so bra e will comment section na baby ans enya fe or me that be very so nya akunya na de ho den no bundle and so shame na me sure be very me crown na enche beside the updates esan be bro